Most adults dread the dentist, and it's mainly because of bad experiences as a child. At Colorado Kids Pediatric Dentistry, they make going to the dentist fun. Their qualified and professional staff can keep your kids' teeth healthy from infancy all the way into their teens. Colorado Kids Pediatric Dentistry are members of the American Board of Pediatric Dentistry. They've been named top dentists by 5280 magazine, and they're accredited with the BBB and have an A+ rating. Dr. Patrick Wilson from Colorado Kids Pediatric Dentistry joins us today. Thanks for being here.
Thank you, Chris.
So let's start by first telling our audience what makes your staff so unique.
Well, the staff at Colorado Kids has a few unique features. All of our dental assistants are what are called expanded duty dental assistants, which means they receive some extra training to be able to place sealants and place some types of fillings, so they can do some things that regular dental assistants cannot do. We also have hygienists in our practice, which many children's practices will rely on assistants to do most of the cleaning, but a hygienist also receives extra training to clean teeth, and that comes in handy, especially with a lot of older patients and teenagers.
Right. And kids too, I would imagine, because you have to have that special touch with children. They have to have that great experience. Otherwise, they're never going to like the dentist, you know, if they have a bad experience that first time.
That is true. It's easy to lose a young patient,
yeah.
So you do need someone with some hands-on experience with kids, for sure.
Well, let's talk about at what age should a child start to see a pediatric dentist?
Yes, the American Academy of Pediatric Dentistry recommends that the child see a dentist by age 1 or 6 months after the first tooth erupts. And most of the time this is to get the child used to having the dentist look at their teeth and also get a chance to speak with parents about how to take care of teeth, what they should be looking for, what they should expect as the child gets more teeth.
Well, let's take a listen to a testimonial from one of your patients that's actually a parent that brings his children to your practice.
Great.
The kids love it. They come in and they see that there's movies and games and everybody's smiling. It's not your typical sterile environment. It's fun. They actually enjoy coming. I don't know if you can ever say you fully 100% are looking forward to going to the dentist, but they don't. They're not afraid of going to the dentist. They know that it's a good thing for them, and it's always been a real positive experience.
Now, we talked about taking care of teeth before that testimonial. What should someone be doing to take care of an infant's teeth?
Well, as infants get more teeth, they may still be nursing, and then they're also beginning to eat solid foods. And you know, a lot of parents say, well, we don't want to brush their teeth, they only have 1 or 2 teeth. We still have to keep those teeth clean. And it can be something as simple as after nursing or snacking, we can just wipe those baby teeth either with a washcloth or one of those small finger brushes that are easy to use for infants.
All right, and then cavities, that's always a big question I'm sure you get all the time. How do you avoid cavities?
Sure, well, the biggest 2 things that we can control at home and that parents can have some control over, diet and hygiene.
Okay.
The biggest things for diet, you know, be careful what we're snacking on. It's always best to have fruits and veggies. We want to avoid any simple starches, goldfish crackers, pretzels, things like that. If we're snacking on them constantly, can turn to sugar in the mouth and create cavities. So it's not always just candy or soda.
Right. Okay, that's a good point too, because you know, kids are always putting stuff in their mouth,
Sure.
and you know, that's fine. Just make sure you know it's something that's good for them and not something that's going to stick in the teeth and just turn to sugar.
Exactly.
Now you have a special offer for our viewers.
We do. We would love to have people see this segment and come and visit us. So the first 10 people that come for their exam, we'll give the child a free Sonicare children's toothbrush.
Yeah, I have one as an adult.
Yeah.
I'm sure they're great for children too, so definitely they need to take advantage of it. So thanks so much for being here.
Thanks, Chris.
I'm going to tell our viewers how to get a hold of you. Colorado Kids Pediatric Dentistry keeps kids smiling. Call them today and make going to the dentist fun for you and your kids. Their number is 303-791-4400 or visit their website ckpd.com. The first 10 new clients to mention Haystack when they show up for their appointment will receive a free Kids Sonicare toothbrush. They don't accept Medicaid or CHIP. The number again is 303-791-4400. We'll be right back.